Okay, this is officially Winter Wonderland.
When was the last time we had a blizzard like this?
Here comes the backyard shoveler. Yes.
All right.
Do you have anything to say? Any memories that you want to preserve for this wonderful occasion?
I just can't remember when the last time we had this much snow.
Yeah.
It's
Been a-
been...
Now here is a shoveling machine. Look at this dude. Shovel, shovel, shovel. Oh, that's right. Break the car. Can you hear the cars running? That's a good thing too. Meow. So there's Annie. They've done a good job of doing Mountain Quail Road. Number of cars, still just big white heffalumps hanging out the side here. Got a lot of nice icicles. This is worth recording.
Get her tractor.
Yep, now I am. Go, girl! And even Eli. Let's see if we can get an interview. Snow blowing queen! Yeehaw!